Are you trying to figure out how to shim your oil pump? I got you. My name is CJ with CJ Build, and let's shim this oil pump. We're gonna go ahead and pop off this Allen so we can go ahead and shim it. I'm gonna show you guys how it is to shim. There's a bunch of videos already on YouTube, but this is just gonna be me doing it. Step one is trying to find a way to get this Allen off. From what I've seen, it's one of the hardest parts, so let's give it a try. Oh my, holy, I broke it loose. I just had the strength of a big man. Alright, so this is where we're gonna be putting the shim. Got the washer, then we got some spring in here, then there should be, let's see if it's magnetic. Yes it is. These are the pieces that came out from the Allen. So what we're gonna be shimming, come on, focus on what we're trying to talk about here. What we're gonna be shimming is this guy. So we're gonna be putting the shim here. And it's gonna be like a little spacer, that way we can get some more oil pressure. Went ahead and picked up one of these packs. Pretty much it's a 1/4 inch ring connector. Yeah, these are like AutoZone, Auto Parts or whatever, but it's the exact thickness that'll get you a pretty good amount of pressure coming out. So we're gonna go ahead and trim this. We gotta open the hole a little bit more so then it can fit on here, because right now, as you see, it doesn't fit, but it'll give you just that much more room. Gotta clean it up a little bit. That doesn't look too bad. Alright guys, so this is the final piece I'm left with. It's not perfect, it's not beautiful, but I think it's gonna work. I cut the sides, I rounded it off, and it fits over. As you can see there, I think it should be okay. I might have to trim a little bit on this side, honestly. Alright, so let's put it back in. We got this going on here, the washer on the Allen, put them together on there, and together they all go inside. There you go. Just like that, we shim the oil pump. Alright guys, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. I think you'll like it. And if not, next week we'll be back with a new one. Have a great one.